David was born in August of 2010. Shortly after his birth, David was diagnosed with a genetic disorder called neurofibromatosis, type 1, or NF1. At the age of only 18 months, David was diagnosed with rhabdomyosarcoma, or RMS, a highly malignant and aggressive form of cancer. Most aspects of David and his family's life had to be put on pause to accommodate for trips to the doctor's office and chemotherapy sessions. Despite his sickness, David continued to be the life of the party and the light in every room he entered, always wearing a smile and laughing.
What was really fun to do at the hospital?
Race with my IV and the dogs coming in.
The doctor room. What was your favorite thing that would happen sometimes?
Well, when people bring me toys.
People would bring you toys?
In 2016, in honor of Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, David had made it his mission to make kids with cancer smile.
What inspired you to start doing your toy projects?
Kids cancer.
Kids Cancer Awareness Month. Can you tell me a little bit about what happened 6 years ago when we started it?
Well, you asked me what I wanted to do for Kids Cancer Awareness Month.
And what did you say?
I wanted to buy toys because I still like cancer.
Why did you want to buy toys for the cancer kids?
Because I thought that will make cancer kids smile.
Yeah, that was a good idea, huh?
When David's first round of raising money was all said and done, he had raised $1,100. David was able to buy 220 toys, art kits, and books for the kids at the Cancer Center. This March, David celebrated being 100% cancer-free. He has continued his efforts to raise money and keep bringing toys and smiles to children with cancer.
How much money have you raised?
$6,000.
$6,000, you're right. That's a lot of money for toys, huh?
On Saturday, September 22nd, from 11 a.m. till 3 p.m., David will be at Ron Hoover RV and Marine, West Houston, collecting donations. All donors will get a free lunch courtesy of Ron Hoover. Ron Hoover is also matching every donation dollar for dollar to make your donation go further. So please join us Saturday, September 22nd from 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. and help David bring a smile to every child battling cancer.